Hi everybody, welcome back to Maura Ellie's nursery in my apartment. This is going to be my bulletin board like I would have at school, and we're going to continue talking about the Haggadah, the special book that we use on Pesach at our Seder. Now I have another Haggadah here also. Haggadahs come in all shapes and all sizes. I'm sure you're going to have different kinds at your Seder. This is the one that I'm going to be using. Now remember, when we turn the pages in the Haggadah, each page tells us what to do. There's an order of everything that we need to do. And the first thing we need to do is remember Kadesh. Kadesh is when we drink the very first cup of yain. How many cups do we drink? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cups of yain. Kadesh. The next page is called yachatz. I'm going to call them pages because we're using pages here. Yachatz, what are we doing yachatz? We are washing our hands, but we don't say a bracha. We usually say al netilat yadayim after we wash our hands, right? But not this time. Kadesh yachatz. Okay? The next page is called Karpas. What does this look like? Somebody is dipping something into something else. What are they dipping? This is what they're dipping. They're dipping something called parsley. And we're dipping parsley into salt water. Okay? And we're going to make the bracha and we're going to taste it. Taste it? It's true, we're going to taste it. But do you have to taste parsley? No. Anything that we make the bracha, borei pri ha'adamah, anything that grows in the ground. My family, we use potatoes. So I'm going to dip the potato into salt water. Make the bracha, borei pri ha'adamah, and I'm going to eat it. Rabbi Blau, the rabbi of Green Road, his family uses bananas. Remember the tricky fruit? Borei pri ha'adamah. So, why do we want to dip potato or parsley or even banana into salt water? Because we want to remember the Jewish people's tears. If you're crying, which I hope you're not, but if you do cry and you stop to taste your tears, you're going to see that they taste salty. And so we dip things into salt water to remember the Jewish people's tears, that Paro was being so mean to them. So we'll start from the beginning. Kadesh yachatz Karpas. Because we're dipping. Karpas. Okay? And the next page is called yachatz. What does this picture look like? It looks like we're breaking the matzah. If you look over here, remember in this picture where we see the 3 different matzahs? I have 3 different matzahs here too. 1, 2, 3. We're going to take the middle matzah and we're going to break it in half. Sorry, upside down. Break it in half. We're going to save half of the matzah to eat sandwiches with soon, not with bread, with matzah. And we're going to take the other matzah and we're going to put it, in a napkin or in a holder, and we're going to hide it. The person who's in charge of the Seder, if it could be your Abba, your dad, your grandpa, a cousin, your mommy, who's ever in charge of the Seder, you're going to take this matzah in a napkin. It's called the afikoman. Can you say that? Afikoman. One more time. Afikoman. That person who broke the matzah in half, saving half for sandwiches later, and the other half in the afikoman, they're going to hide the afikoman. Okay? And your job is to find it. My Abba used to put it behind him on his chair. There's a pillow that we have on our chair, and my Abba used to hide it behind him, and we had to go find it. If you find it, you get a present. Okay? So, watch when your father does it, or your grandpa, or whoever's in charge of the Seder. Watch where they're putting the afikoman, because if you find it, you're going to get a present. Maybe not at the Seder, but maybe during Pesach or after Pesach. Okay? So we're going to sing, and we're going to do these last 2 pages. Kadesh yachatz. Remember, Karpas. Yachatz. One more time. Kadesh, Urchatz, Karpas, yachatz. Okay? All right, stay tuned for more Haggadah pages. See you next time. Bye-bye.